Question number 48. A selection is to be made for one post of principal and two posts of vice principal. Amongst the 6 candidates called for the interview, only 2 are eligible for the post of principal, while they all are eligible for the post of vice principal. The number of possible combinations of selectees is. Here, 6 candidates called for interview for the one post of principal and 2 posts of vice principal. Out of these 6, only 2 are eligible for the post of principal and all are eligible for the post of vice principal. Then number of possible combination of selectees is, that is what we have to find. So only 2 are eligible for the post of principal. Suppose P1 and P2 are those candidates. Then different combinations of principal possible is, we have to choose one from these two to C1. Then after selecting one as principal, then there are 5 candidates and all these 5 are eligible for the vice principal post, 2 vice principal post. So we have to select 2 from 5, and which is possible in 5C2 ways. Multiplying these 2, we get the total number of possible combinations. 2C1 equal to 2, 5C2 equal to 10. We know how to find the combination equation. NCR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. With that equation formula, we found this 2 and 10. Then 2 into 10 we get 20. In 20 different combinations we can select for those 3 posts. So our answer is none of the above. So here, why we multiplied 2C1 with 5C2. If P1 is the principal selected, then P2 is eligible for the vice principal post. Then including P2, there are 5 candidates for the vice principal posts. Then P1 as principal, we can fill those 2 vice principal posts in 10 different ways. Similarly, P2 as principal, P1 competing for vice principal post, and then in 10 different ways we can fill those 2 vice principal posts. So 10 plus 10. P1 as principal there are 10 ways, and P2 as principal there are 10 more ways. So total 10 plus 10, 20. 20 different ways we can have. Suppose 3 are eligible for the principal post, then it will be like this: 3C1 into 5C2. Number of combinations possible equal to 3C1 equal to 3, 5C2 equal to 10. It will be 30. Here, number of combinations possible equal to 20. Therefore, our answer is none of the above.